Hi, can you tell us something about your team, where you're from, and how many members you have in the team, and what are their roles?
Right. So we are Team D2AV, and we are from Delhi Technological University from India. And this year, we are eight members are participating from our team in this competition. This is our second consecutive year in this competition as well. So I think from the perspective of participating in the last year, we have improved a lot. Unfortunately, due to some unforeseen circumstances, we couldn't qualify in the last moment. There were some really leakage issues that we couldn't predict, and that never happened before in the real testing. But that happened today. I think luck wasn't on our side today. So that's it, I guess.
So, can you tell us something about your vehicle? Like, what hardware do you have there, and like how many months of preparations went in there?
So basically, if you talk about the real working, when did we start working on this? So it was mainly the start of December last year. So what we did is we analyzed the AUV that we came with last year, and then we thought what are the problems we are facing in that. So mechanically, we changed the whole design to get more degrees of freedom for the in a constrained manner, and as well as to develop the AUV to improve the dynamics of the bot in the dynamic conditions. Second is about the hardware, Anuj.
For the embedded hardware, we are using a Intel NUC i3 processor, and that is interfaced with the Arduino, which powers up the thrusters. So for the software stack, we use OpenCV for the image processing tasks and the yaw deviations and everything. The manipulations are sent to the Arduino via ROS. We use ROS to implement everything, including PID, and send the values to the thruster using ROS serial. So our main architecture is just based on ROS, Kinetic, and OpenCV.
Great. So, how about the software development? Who was mostly involved in software development from your team?
I was
Oh, you. Okay.
working on the software development along with Adhar and Upasna. We were for the image processing part and the controls part. Vipul and Dipanshu were working on the stabilizing the bot control systems and the embedded systems. Uh, they were we were really in a good phase when back in India we were testing. We could drop balls, cross gates, but somehow here we couldn't do anything. There were some leakage issues we hadn't faced any time, but that's a learning experience. So
All right. So, I hope you guys have a better run next year, and all the very best for that. And this design looks great. So, I hope you can come back soon, and we see you again. Thank you.
Thank you so much.